Have you ever imagined how a plant-based diet can directly impact your athletic performance? Whether you're an athlete, weightlifter, or sports enthusiast, you know how much what you eat can affect your results both in training and in recovery. There's a myth that a meat-free diet can be harmful to those who train hard and seek high performance. But is that true? In today's video, we'll show you how a plant-based diet, rich in plant nutrients, can increase blood oxygenation, reduce inflammation, and improve your physical performance. And the best part, based on scientific evidence and the experience of athletes who follow this diet. Stick with me because we're going to explore the viability of a meat-free diet for those seeking endurance, fast recovery, and greater mental clarity. To begin, many top-level athletes are proving that a plant-based diet is not only viable but can also be a powerful ally for sports performance. A famous example is the vegan runner who broke endurance records or the weightlifter who saw a significant improvement in recovery time. So, why is the plant-based diet so effective in improving athletic performance? The benefits go far beyond just losing weight or building muscle. A plant-based diet is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help reduce muscle stress and accelerate recovery after intense workouts. Additionally, plant nutrients are essential for improving blood flow and oxygenation, which directly impacts endurance during training. Now, let's talk about the direct benefits of this diet for sports performance. First, physical endurance. Nutrient-rich foods like beets, leafy greens, and berries help improve blood flow and oxygenation, which increases the body's ability to sustain prolonged physical activities. Next, muscle recovery. The plant-based diet is known for its ability to reduce inflammation. This means less post-workout soreness and much faster recovery. And lastly, mental clarity. Yes, a plant-based diet can improve your concentration and focus during training, which is crucial for making quick and effective decisions, especially in sports that require great technical skill and fast thinking. And if you're thinking that a plant-based diet might be hard to follow, think again. It doesn't have to be complicated. There's a wide variety of foods that can easily replace meat, providing the right amount of nutrients your body needs. Plant protein sources like tofu, tempeh, lentils, whole grains, and quinoa provide enough protein to support muscle recovery and lean mass gain. Plus, the plant-based diet is also an excellent source of fiber, which helps keep your body running smoothly, improving digestion and gut health. Let's now explore the key nutrients that make the plant-based diet so efficient for athletes. Iron, found in vegetables like spinach and broccoli, is essential for blood oxygenation, which improves endurance. Vitamin C, present in fruits like oranges and strawberries, helps with iron absorption and boosts immunity. And of course, plant proteins, which aid in muscle recovery without overloading the body with saturated fat. These nutrients are easily accessible in a plant-based diet and have a direct impact on your performance. Now, let's address one of the most common questions. But how do you implement this diet practically in your daily life? Don't worry, you don't need to be a chef to follow a plant-based diet. Start with simple swaps. Instead of meat, include vegetables and legumes in your meals. Try tofu or tempeh, which are great sources of protein. Add quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes for a good dose of complex carbs and keep your body fueled during training. And don't forget leafy greens like spinach and kale, which help reduce inflammation and provide essential antioxidants. If you want to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients, aim to make balanced meals that include a good source of plant-based proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats like those found in avocados, olive oil, and seeds. Also, try to include anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and berries, which will help with recovery and combat muscle fatigue. Additionally, stay hydrated with water, natural juices, and nutritious smoothies. And if necessary, supplement with vitamin B12, vitamin D, and omega-3s to make sure you're not missing any essential nutrients. Nutrition is an essential part of the athletic journey, but discipline is also crucial. Maintaining a plant-based diet requires consistency and organization, but with the right preparation, you can reap the benefits of this choice. By planning your meals in advance and ensuring you always have healthy snacks on hand, like vegan protein bars and salads, you'll be well on your way to achieving your performance goals. And finally, remember, results don't come overnight. Adopting a plant-based diet may take some time to adjust, but with patience and dedication, you'll see improvements in your physical, mental performance, and overall health. With the right nutrition, you can achieve all your athletic goals and live a healthier, more energetic life. So, did you enjoy the content? If you also believe in the power of a plant-based diet to improve your performance, leave a comment below sharing your experience or questions. Your journey to reach your full potential starts with the choices you make today, and we want to be with you every step of the way. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new content that will help you achieve your goals. And if you know someone who could also benefit from these tips, share the video. Together we can transform more lives and reach new heights. Keep following us, and remember, your health and performance are in your hands. Let's keep going on this journey together. See you in the next video.